Have you ever met someone who cries very easily? Sometimes it happens during emotional conversations, sometimes during movies, and sometimes even during small conflicts or stressful situations. Many people assume that crying easily means someone is weak or overly sensitive, but psychology suggests something very different. In fact, people who cry easily often have strong emotional awareness. Their brains tend to process emotions more deeply than others. Instead of suppressing feelings, their emotional system reacts quickly, allowing those emotions to come out naturally. In simple terms, crying can be the brain's way of releasing emotional pressure. Another psychological reason involves empathy. Some people are naturally more empathetic. This means they feel other people's emotions very strongly. When they see someone else in pain, sadness, or even deep happiness, their brain mirrors that emotion. Because of this, emotional reactions like crying can happen more easily. There is also a biological factor. Certain people have a more sensitive nervous system. Psychologists sometimes describe this as being highly emotionally responsive. Their brain reacts more strongly to emotional situations, whether those emotions are positive or negative. But here's something important to understand. Crying is not always a sign of weakness. In many cases, it's actually a sign that someone is emotionally expressive and psychologically healthy. Studies suggest that expressing emotions through crying can help reduce stress and regulate the nervous system. People who allow themselves to feel emotions often recover from emotional stress faster than those who constantly suppress their feelings. So the next time you see someone who cries easily, it might not mean they are fragile. It might simply mean their emotional system is more open, more responsive, and more connected to the feelings around them. Because human emotions are complex, and sometimes the people who feel the most are simply the ones who understand emotions the deepest. If you enjoy learning about the psychology behind everyday human behavior, subscribe for more short videos that explain the mind in simple ways.